सुप्रभातं, नमो नमः, नमो गुरुभ्यः। अद्य तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम् इति सूत्रस्य व्याख्यानं कथं कुर्मः इति पश्यामः। Today we will see how to comment on the sutra तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं. तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्. तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम् इति द्विपदं सूत्रम्. Two words are there, तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं and सवर्णम्. अनेन सूत्रेण सवर्णसंज्ञा विधीयते. With this sutra, the term savarna is defined. ताल्वादिस्थानम् आभ्यन्तरप्रयत्नः चेत्येतद्द्वयं यस्य येन तुल्यं तन्मितः सवर्णसंज्ञं स्यात् इति सूत्रार्थः. The letters which have the same sthanam and abhyantara prayatnaha are termed as savarnaha with reference to each other. This is the meaning of the sutra. And now we have to explain the ucharana sthanas and prayatna. Ucharana sthanani tu. The ucharana sthanas are following. Akuha visarjaniyanam kantha. For akara, kavarga, hakara and visarga, the ucharana sthanam is kantha. Ichueshanam talu. For ikara, chavarga, yakara and shakara, it is talu. Riturashanam murtha. For rikara, tavarga, rebha and shakara, it is murtha. Litulasanam dantaha. For il, tavarga, lakara and sakara, it is dantaha. Upopathmaniyanam oshthav. For ukara, pavarga and upathmaniyaha, it is oshthav. Nyamangananam nasikacha. For anunasika letters, nyamanganana, nose also involves in the production of these sounds. Etaitoho kantatalu. For ekara and aikara, the ucharana sthanam is kantatalu. Odautoho kantoshtham. For okara and aukara, the ucharana sthanam is kanthostham. Vakarasya dandostham. For vakara, it is dandostham. Jihvamuliyasya jihvamulam. For jihvamuliya, the ucharana sthanam is jihvamulam. Nasika anuswarasya. For anuswara, the ucharana sthanam is nasika. Then about the prayatna, yatno dvitha abhyantaro bahyascha. Yatna are of two types, bahyantara, abhyantara and bahya. Abhyantara and bahya. Adhyaha panjatha. The abhyantara prayatna is further divided into 5 types. Sprishta, Ishat Sprishta, Ishat Vivrta, Vivrta Samvrta Bhedat. They are Sprishtaha, ईषत् स्पृष्टः, ईषत् विवृतः, विवृतः and samvritah. Then it says about the categories of letters which comes under these sprishta, ishat sprishta, etc. Tatra sprishtam prayatanam sparshanam. Sparsha means consonants. For consonants, the prayatna is sprishtam. Here the word prayatanam is a napumsakalinga word. That is why the napumsakalinga form sprishtam is used. If it is prayatnaha, prayatnaha is pullinga, then we have to use sprishtaha. Now about ishat sprishta. Ishat sprishtam andasthanam. For andasthaha, the prayatna is ishat sprishta. Ishat vivritam ushmanam. For ushmanaha, it is ishat vivritam. Vivritam swaranam. For swaras, vowels, it is vivritam. Hrasvasya avarnasya prayoge samvritam. In the pronunciation of hrasva akara, it is samvritam. Prakriya dashayam tu vivritameva. Even though in the grammatical process it is considered as vivritam. Then it says about bahya prayatna. Bahya prayatnaha tu ekadashatha. Bahya prayatna is of 11 types. Vivaraha, sambaraha, shvasaha, nadaha, khoshaha, akhoshaha, alpapranaha, mahapranaha, udattaha, anudattaha, swaritaha cha iti. These are the 11 categories of bahya prayatna. Then it says about different groups of letters and their bahya prayatna. Kharo vivara shvasa akhoshascha. For khar, the bahya prayatna is vivara, shvasa and akhosha. These letters are vivaraha, shvasaha, akhoshaha, varnaha. For hash, sambara, nada, khoshascha. Varganam prathama tritiya panchamaha yanaha cha alpapranaha. In the vargaksharas, the first, third and fifth groups and yan are alpapranas. Varganam dvitiya chaturtho shalascha mahapranaha. In vargaksharas, the second and fourth categories and then shal are mahapranas. Kadayo mavasanaha sparshaha. The letters starting from ka up to ma are sparshas or consonants. Yanaha andasthaha. Yan are andasthas. Shalaha ushmanaha. Shal are ushmanaha. Achaha swaraha. Ach are swaras. K iti kakhabhyam pragartha visarga sadrisho jihvamuliyah. The half visarga like pronunciation seen before k and k are jihvamuliya. P iti pabhabhyam प्रागर्थविसर्गसदृशः उपध्मानीयः. The half visarga-like pronunciation seen before p and p are ubadhmaniyas. Usually, the visarga symbol are used to indicate these jihvamuli and ubadhmaniya. That half visarga symbol is not common. When we pronounce them, we pronounce them as jihvamuli and ubadhmaniya. When writing, this half symbol is not quite common. Then aha iti ajah parau anuswara visargau. The anuswara and visarga are always used after ach or vowel sounds. Now the example. यथा स्थानप्रयत्नसाम्यात् क ख ग इत्येते वर्णाः सवर्णानि भवन्ति. As the uchcharanasthanam and prayatnam are the same, the varnas k kh g are savarnas. It is a lengthy vyakhyana, but we have learned that all through these classes you have to learn this by heart. So this is enough for today. Dhanyavadah.